I'm the director of Kudavana partnership. To my right is Davis Mundirwira, is the administrator, and at my far right is Jotina Vambire, our psychologist, social worker. Please allow me to introduce you to the home. You are all welcome. Kudavana Partnership is a wholly owned Zimbabwean organization which was formed to provide care to the orphaned and vulnerable children. We are located in Mutare South, Zimunya, just close to Musabayana Primary School. We are about 42 kilometers south of Mutare, 42 kilometers south of Mutare town. Our capacity here is 50 children from 0 ages to 18 years. In the district, I think we are the only children's home, or one of the children's homes, who takes care of the little children. We have got a nursery that accommodates 10 children, and the rest of the other houses we accommodate children from 3 years to 18 years. And when a child ages out, meaning when he or she turns 18, we have a halfway house in Buera, and we are running a program called Youth Transition Program, where we take care of those children up to the age of 25. We send them through to school and to university level. Currently, we have got 46 children. Through reunification, fostering, and adoption, which I'm going to explain later, we have sent 4 children into families. Today, our theme for this visit is every child deserves a family. This we have set out to achieve through a 3-legged approach, which is 1, tracing and reunification, fostering, and adoption. Let me start by explaining to you what is tracing and reunification. We have got children we receive here through death of parents, through child-headed families, or those abandoned. So with tracing, we go back to where the children came from, look for the relatives, if they are still there, close or distant, or even well-wishers. We discuss the importance of children being raised in families, especially from where they come from. And if they agree, then we'll refer them to social service, where the documents will be processed and that child will be placed under that family. That's what we call reunification